Hi guys, here's the hard truth. In 2026, creating videos is not hard because you lack talent. It's hard because your ideas keep getting interrupted. You start inspired, then execution kills the momentum. Too many tools, too many resets, too many second guesses. By the time the video is done, the energy is gone. So let me open this visually. Cold open, fast cuts, a creator jumping between tabs, image generator, video tool, music app, voice tool, timeline editor. 40 minutes gone, nothing finished. Cut to one screen, one prompt, one agent. That's where Framia Pro flips the process. If you're a solo creator or a lean team, you don't need more AI tools. You need one system that owns the workflow end to end. That's what Framia Pro is. Not a toolbox, a creative AI agent that takes an idea and drives it all the way to upload-ready output. Design, video, music, voice, editing, one brain, one continuous decision loop, no creative resets. Let me show how this actually plays out on screen. I type one instruction in the chat box. Create a full brand campaign for a new lipstick. This is important. I'm not talking to the canvas, I'm talking to the agent. The chat box is where I give orders and confirm decisions. The canvas is where the work appears and evolves in real time. First, the design phase. The agent generates a clean product image, real typography, correct labels, no broken text. Then, without restarting anything, it expands into a poster layout. Same brand language, same colors, same product. Then it continues into UGC-style visuals and a full brand ad. And here's the missing piece we add. Framia Pro also auto-generates the voiceover, tone-matched, script-aligned, ready to drop straight into video. One conversation, full campaign. Now let's move to video because this is where most AI workflows collapse. On screen, I switch to the video agent inside Framia Pro. I start with a simple story idea. Before anything moves, the agent asks me to lock the visual style. I choose it once. Characters are generated and refined before animation begins. No surprises later. Next, Framia Pro places the first and last frames directly on the canvas. This is a big deal. I validate direction early before burning compute on a full render. Once approved, the agent generates the complete video, and I'm not locked out after generation. The storyboard stays visible and editable. I can click into scenes, adjust pacing, regenerate only one shot, or tweak details without rebuilding the whole video. Characters stay consistent. Style stays locked. Emotional timing actually works. This is how people are making 1-minute 3D animations that feel intentional, not stitched together. Audio follows the same logic. Music is generated based on mood and structure, not slapped on later. It syncs naturally with cuts and motion. Voiceover timing is already aligned. No manual waveform dragging, no duct tape.
Some things you don't resist.
Under the hood, Framia Pro gives you full control over top-tier AI models without forcing you to think like an engineer. On screen, we show a wall of logos to make this clear. For image generation, big names like Midjourney and Seedream are available. For video, industry leaders such as Veo, Sora, and Kling are supported. For music and voice, powerful engines like Suno and 11 Labs are integrated. The agent intelligently selects the right model for the job, or you can override when you want absolute control. Now the control layer. This is where pro users will care. The intelligent canvas plus the agent working together inside Framia Pro. I tell the agent what to change in the chat. The result appears instantly on the canvas. For images, I can do local edits without touching the rest. For design, everything is auto-detected into editable layers. Text, shapes, images, and yes, split layers are fully supported, which matters if you actually design for a living. No rebuilding assets, no exporting to fix basics. Here's the timing comparison moment. Traditional AI workflow, multiple platforms, multiple exports, trial and error, easily hours per project. With Framia Pro, it's one agent-driven flow. Idea to upload ready in 15 to 30 minutes without duct taping tools together. This is the best way to summarize it. Framia Pro is one subscription, endless creativity. A creative AI agent that turns simple ideas into upload-ready videos and brand-perfect design. Pricing stays simple, one subscription, full system access. From entry plans to unlimited pro tiers with premium models included. No credit juggling, no guessing which tool to open. So I'll end the video like this. If you're tired of losing creative momentum during execution, this is what fixes it. Framia Pro isn't another generator. It's a control system for creative work in 2026. Try it yourself. Link is in description below. And if this breakdown helped, like, subscribe, and comment how you'd use an AI agent in your workflow.